Hey everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations, and this is going to be a quick one. I just want to give you guys a little bit of tips and tricks for the B5S4. So this is the intercooler setup. Since it's a V6, it has two small intercoolers, an inlet hole and an outlet hole, so the air can go through this like air radiator to cool it down with all the fins and then come out the other side. Because your air on the exhaust side that spins up your turbo is very hot, and the hot air doesn't go into mix with the intake side, but it's all one unit, so it transfers heat. So you gotta have an intercooler. Now what I found on the B5S4 is if you're doing weight reduction, is this is part of the air conditioning system that sits usually in front of your radiator. Now, I did have one of these in front of my radiator, which I took out, and now I just found, when I'm taking these two intercoolers out, that this intercooler looked way bigger and was double the width, or in the heaviness. So it had 4 of these Torx 30. I used the Torx 30 to get these out, and they were right here, and I just unscrewed them, you know. So there was one here, and then if you lift it up, there's 2 on the other side here that hold this in, and this is where the bracket is to connect your AC in and out, so it can also go through here, catch the cold air and cool down. Well, this is a race car and I'm not using AC, so we're going to take this whole component right here, which looks like another mini radiator, and we're going to chuck it. So now we take this part away and we're just left with this part. Now, this is aluminum. You could get some money for this for scrap, but it's in great condition, so I'm gonna put this up for sale for the B5 people. And like I said, we're making a $10,000 supercar, so anybody that buys this off me, even if I make $5, that's a free $5 that I can put into our build that doesn't cost us any money. So we're gonna go ahead and put this aside. And you see all the dirt? So air can't get through these slits. And if it's coming here and getting hit, how's it going to get through to there? You know what I mean? It has to go through this, go through the dirt, and then go through there. Well, that's terrible. We're not getting the heat, the cool that we need. So now we just have a regular intercooler that is, you know, scaled down a little bit. The air is going to hit this directly. It's not going to have to worry about this on top. We did a little bit of weight reduction here for the AC condenser, this mini condenser, and we freshened up this intercooler by letting it get air all the time. It's going to get fresh air straight to it. There's no dirt, there's no complaints, there's no problem, and this is going to work out way better. So if you're using air conditioning, you can't do this mod, but I advise you guys that are doing this B5S4 engine, if you take this air conditioning out, to take the time to take this out, and you will get a lot more cool through your air system into your turbos now. So thanks for coming to Disturbing Creations. I just wanted to hook you guys up with a quick little tip and trick on how to get better airflow into your intercoolers here, and to do a little bit of weight reduction. We're doing this on the race car, so I'm going to put this into playlists. So thanks for coming by. If you like this kind of stuff, give us a like and a subscribe. Share it to any of your friends that are building Porsches or building B5s or have Audis, because they can use all this information if they want to do the same thing like me and put a twin turbo Audi in a Porsche. Leave any comments down below that you have. You know, if you want to repair this, or you need to do something with this, or you want to figure out something about your intercooler, or you have any questions about the B4S5 2.7 twin turbo Audi engine, I'll be glad to help you all. We love you all, man. God bless. Thank you so much for coming around. We'll see you all later. Have a great day.